Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, I lost my tooth. But today I'm going to show you how to make slime. Show you. See, I have 2 batches already. I'll show you my other one. I have my green one too. I technically kind of like my green one, but I mostly like my regular one. And I have this very little bit of glue left, and I'm just going to shut this off, and I'm going to open it. But I'm opening it now. I think it's easier to get. This is minutes. Okay, squeeze out. Okay. I'm gonna get my LPS for this because I don't feel like doing this. But the thing you will need is some glue. I'm technically using glitter glue. So if you want the same process, I would do glitter glue. But if you want the other one, like I used, for the green one, I used this food coloring. And I just paused the video and did that. And then you need BioTrue. It's contact solution. Yeah, take it out. So, open. Instructions. Well, here it is. BioTrue contact solution. And you'll need a spoon, which I need. Not prepared. Not prepared. Okay. And then you just need baking soda, which I have behind the camera. I'm gonna balance my camera. Else. That did not work out. Stop. Yeah. So I just have this on my chair, so you can't see my face right now. Alright. So I'm not gonna show my face. I'm gonna say the bowl. So I have just a little of Elmer's glue left. So you're gonna want that. And I have some baking soda, some this, and some contact solution, a spoon, and a bowl, and then Elmer's glue. That's all you need. And then first you're gonna take your Elmer's glue, and you're not even gonna need that much baking soda because I have just a little, and if you put too much baking soda, it won't work. So I'm just grabbing just like a pinch. Like I'm just making sure that I have here. I'm using like a little spoon actually. I'm not even using like one of the heaviest spoons. So I just have a little, and you're just gonna put that in. These are gonna be the tiniest thing of my collection. So I just shook that. That's it for that, and I'm just gonna, you're gonna need that back. So I'm just gonna put it on the napkin over there. And then, now you're gonna need this actually. That's what. And then you're going to take your contact solution, open it. Open it. Oh, see it open like that. And then take it. You're not even going to pour that much. You're just going to pour a little. And I'm mixing it with a spoon. It's not even that much. I didn't even need a bigger bowl. I'm like, I'm not doing any of this stuff. So I'm really even mixing it. You see, I'm just mixing it a little bit. You're just gonna like keep adding the contact solution. Hi, Papa. Can I help you? Oh, come on! I'm gonna grade you on my LPS. That's what I say now. Oh God. So, I'm my bunny. Hey guys! she's gonna help. Oh my god. I didn't even realize her body was like that. Let's fix that. There you go. So, first you're gonna need all the stuff in there and then mix it up. So, let's mix it up. Telling me what to do here, so. So I have it. And then you're just gonna put it on your spoon. And then take your hands. I'm not gonna need that much. And just take the contact solution, put it all over your hand, and rub it. Then grab your slime and soap thingy with it. You might need to stir it up just a little more. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm still very sticky and stuff. Yeah, that worked. I got it. I actually think mine worked just a little. I'm gonna move my bowl. Put it that's a very kind of not much. If I had my camera like something like that. No. Okay, yeah. I'll just hold it up. And I had it. Oh, I actually did it. So, yeah, it worked, guys. It actually made slime. Just a little bit. And this is why I love miniature slime. Because you can take your NPSs and stuff and like let them play with it. I love this slime, so now we're gonna make some more slime out of this. Got it, you actually for me. With some, it says, washable school glue, Crazy-O. So let's use some Crazy-O. Yeah, so I guess we're just gonna use some Crazy-O. And yes, I do have. I'm gonna add it to my collection. Yeah. And my little slimes. But since I made it this little bit, because I only have a little bit in this bottle, but I can't get that much out. I'm actually going to mix this slime, if I can get it out, and this slime together and see what it makes. So I'm gonna leave this slime over here on this side. Then I'm gonna keep my other side of the slime because I don't want her to get in here. So now I just have this bowl. I don't really need to get everything out, but like poop it, because like I have this like giant. Put that in the garbage can. Yeah. Got it. So now I'm just gonna take the glue and screw it and just wait for it. Come. Or I could just take some from my actual collection I already have. And just mix it. Do that. I don't even need this my contact solution. And I'm going to use this one. Use a bowl out of the way. So now I'm going to grab this. Put it up. And grab. Pink guys right on now. Hey guys, I have it right now. So see, I have my made slime right here and my new made slime. I think I'm gonna mix this one up. I just hold it because it kind of feel. So just keep mixing that. Oh, taking it. And that is good. Now I'm just gonna take this and lay this down and take this and lay it on top and smush it together on top. So fix it. I think I need a little more purplish. I think I'm gonna use some of my purple that I have right here. Because I have a whole bucket of that. There you go. Perfect. Perfectly perfect. And then just mix it together. Yeah, that's better. You can actually see the purple in it. That one you do just white. Hi. Doing a video. Okay. Keep mixing it. And it worked. I actually like this slime. This is Sparkles. See what my LPS thinks. Has a good consistency. I think I like it. I think I like it. Good. Can I have this? No, you can't. But I want it. But I want it. Boing, play with it. Hey! Okay, guys. So I think this is most out of it now. And I think I like this slime. I like the slime a lot. So, yeah. I really like it. It's so cute. I like you guys. I really do. So that's actually a yes for me. I like it. And yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. Bye!